Do you want to make chicken shawarma that competes with the biggest restaurants? Recipe has brought you the seasoning that will perfect the craft for you. Cut the chicken into appropriately sized slices. In a deep bowl, put 4 cups of yogurt, add 200 grams of oil and 200 grams of vinegar. And of course, the real hero of the recipe chicken shawarma seasoning bag. Mix this entire blend until it's fully combined and dissolved into the amazing recipe spices. Add 5 kilograms of chicken slices into the marinade and mix them well until they are coated from every side. You can prepare it and keep it in the fridge for up to 4 days, meaning it's ready for you at any time and significantly saves on materials. Put the shawarma on the grill and start sautéing it. See the authentic chicken shawarma aroma that will impress you and your customers. Add the vegetables you like. The result? Tender and juicy chicken with a consistent taste that ensures every sandwich leaving your kitchen has the same quality without the chicken ever drying out. Check out the result after cooking. Shawarma with a consistent look that attracts the customer and a taste that honors your restaurant in front of anyone. Recipe? The secret behind your restaurant's taste.